All right, so here we go. This is the little robot. It works. We've got our sensor, we've got our motor, everything going on. Tried my best to kind of tuck some of the wires out of the way. I know it looks really messy. Again, that was kind of just the nature of these wires for like the photodiode or for the servo just being a certain length, and there was only so much I could do about it. But even though it may look messy, these wires don't get caught on anything. The servo can move just fine and whatnot. Let me make sure everything's in place. Yeah, I think so. So now I just turn it on. And I'm filming this in a dark room. Oh, that got disconnected. Filming this in a dark room just because that's the optimal conditions for this to work. The threshold is set such that it can actually work in a bright area like the soldering lab. I'm also angling the camera away. But yeah, right now I'm just filming this in the dark. Also ignore whatever's happening on the table, I don't know. Here we go. You can see here. It will. Okay. Okay, hang on. Let me put that back. So, sorry. It can't detect the edge of the table if it's gonna run off it. You can see here that it follows the light. If I move over here, it turns, comes toward that as well. It follows, and I'm doing it on the table just because that's the best spot for it to get traction. Again, there is the risk of it falling off. Yeah, you can see that it moves just fine. The servo up top will rotate to follow the light. Sorry, it's very hard to do this. But you can see the servo is tilting. And if I move it down more, yeah. Okay. Hard to do one-handed, but yeah, the photodiodes do turn to look. As well, if I take my hand, I put it right in front, it will start turning. And again, it kind of does just struggle to get traction. That's kind of just the nature of the robot not having a lot of weight in the front. It's more back heavy, which is not ideal. But yeah, that's my robot.